in 10 years, the community won't be there anymore. Because all of the old people would stop, weaving. All my life, I knew that communications was the direction I wanted to take. My first job was in government, but in a communications office of the President of the Philippines. And it was there where I, saw a lot of what was needed in the Philippines. I saw a lot of the challenges of the country. I saw the heart of the country also. After 3 years in that office, I decided to take my master's. In IE, I was exposed to a lot of my entrepreneurial friends. I got to meet a lot of people who inspired me in some ways, and I didn't realize it would have an effect on me. Until looking back now, I realized that entrepreneurship was something that IE had a strong foundation in and a strong background in. After graduating IE, I went to Singapore. I was accepted in a global communications consultancy firm. I think this is a really good experience, but I wanted something more. I wanted something more meaningful where I could make an impact. And this is where I took the leap of pursuing this social enterprise now. We want to continue the tradition and the craft of weaving in the Philippines, because a lot of the younger generation of weavers are leaving. Weaving is a very intergenerational craft and tradition where they learn from their mothers, their grandmothers. It's passed down. Our vision to want to elevate Philippine handicrafts because there's so much meaning and value to products that are handmade and handwoven and that are traditional that you can't find in other places. It's very unique. We found a good balance of social impact and business model in a good product. And I think that's why it's working. Usually I start my day by having a nice long walk. I started this because I was doing the Camino de Santiago. I was preparing for it. So even until today, I've done the Camino already. I've finished it. And until today, I just keep walking maybe a good 2 hours with my backpack. It gets me in this more like peaceful state of mind. I played football in IE. I was in the women's football team of IE. Even before university, I actually played in the Gothia Cup, which is like the World Youth Football Cup. Football has really been a big part of my life. It gave me discipline, working hard. I think it really helped me become who I am now. If you want to be an entrepreneur, tap into something where there is a big need and the purpose is so strong that other people would really be your advocate and rally for your cause.